We have here sheets. If you scroll down in the project browser and you make a new sheet, and this is what is written in here, A1, and we can load A0 in your library. So it's kind of very slow for me, I don't know why. You see here title blocks, you go there, you see A0 metric 1, 2, 3 up to 4, take this, and this is the template that we will use. You have the professional template, looks like this, and the information will be in a column on the right hand side, so that you pick it, and here it's updating it. You pick that A0 and then okay. You see it here load. If we zoom here, it gives you some information about the consultant, the address, the phone, the fax, the email, and this is repeated if it needs some checking. If you are making a different version of it, it's going to be written on it in each version with the date, also the description and the date, what happened in each drawing, so that you keep track of your drawing, what happened in it. More importantly, you need to load this information: who's the owner, the project name, and you need to name the project number, the date, who's drawing it, and put your name in the drawn by, checked by, and then the drawing title, or the drawing, the number of the sheet, and that is important, plus the scale. Pay attention that you have to start with A100 for the plans that we have. You can have this number as is 101 because we will reserve some for the site plan, which is going to be 100, and then here you have 101. If I still recall the numbers correctly, it's going to be this way. But how can you make your sheet? What you can do is just you go up and pick the plan that you want to have, and then drag it. And that is your plan. Pay attention that the plan here is just everything I drew, because I drew two different versions. You see those plan in here, so that your plan is going to be there. But pay attention to make the scale. I think 1 to 100 would be good, so that you can go to your level 1 and make sure it's 1 to 100 before copying it to your sheet. Because if you change the scale here and drag it afterwards, it's going to be copy whatever information it does have here. So this is how you produce the sheets. And if you click that, you will see the sheet in here created for you, so that it will be reserved in the project that you created that sheet already with the needed information. Also, just something that I didn't talk about are these 4 views that you see from here. Those ones, if you click on it, it will show you the elevation directly of that view, so that this is something that is also useful, and it has to be included in the plans while you are plotting it, because after making the elevations, it will update itself and write here which drawing it does contain the plans. I think there is one little thing again. Sometimes your drawing becomes too big for the building, for the sheet. If so, what you can do, I'm not sure. I don't think any of you have huge plan. Maybe except for us, his plan is big, might fit into drawings, so that you can come here and you can make duplicate view and duplicate as a dependent, because in here it will duplicate the view for you, and you can click on that and drag what you want to see in it. So this drawing is just contain half of your building, and you'll do another dependent contain the left portion. And if you don't make it as a dependent, you will find yourself struggling with the things, so that you will have this as a reference. Whatever you change in it, it will be reflected directly. So if I come to here, supposedly, if I come to here and draw this wall and go to my dependent, I'll see it created. And then what you do next is that we'll take this and put it in a sheet, and take the other dependent and put it in another sheet if the drawing is big enough. But if it just fit in one drawing, you can make it as one like this. And I don't